Hey there, looking to keep your yard snake-free without resorting to chemicals? Let me introduce you to lemongrass. This simple plant packs a serious punch against snakes and other pests. Lemongrass, or Cymbopogon citratus, is native to Southeast Asia, and is known for its powerful citronella oil content. It's this oil that gives lemongrass its snake-repelling properties. The strong aroma disorients snakes, making your yard less appealing to them. But that's not all. The long, razor-sharp blades of lemongrass serve as a physical barrier, making it difficult for snakes to slither through. To get the most out of your lemongrass, plant it thickly around high-traffic areas like patios, pathways, or garden beds. You can also grow it in containers for easy mobility and targeting specific spots. Just remember, a dense concentration of lemongrass is key. Now let's talk growing conditions. Lemongrass thrives in warmer climates. Make sure it gets plenty of sun and fertilizer. In colder areas, grow it in pots and bring it indoors during frost, or use mulch for protection. A heads up for pet owners, lemongrass is toxic to dogs, cats, and horses. Ingestion can cause serious health issues, so keep it out of reach of your furry friends. Alright, now you know how to use lemongrass to keep your yard snake-free naturally. Give it a try and enjoy a pest-free outdoor space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DIY tips.